I love you, Valeria. Now, let's eat. Male. It's not this and one of this, and then you choose which one. I want to start eating this big pizza. Big peppers, hot peppers. I like the beer in the bottle. Oops, opsy daisy rise and shine. Ringos. Ringo. Ringo. Ciao Valeria, grazie per questa collaborazione. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, Elly. ASMR. So how are you everybody? Are you all doing well? Oh, I'm so happy. Today I'm going to eat a lovely pizza with fries, and I've got a lovely back and a few sauces. There's hot peppers on here and Mexican sauce. Put it all my own way. This is the pizza, and this is a video collaboration, guys. Questa è un video collaborazione. È una collaborazione con una pizza, delle patatine, una Bex e poi c'è una sorpresa alla fine. Ma dai, ve lo faccio vedere cos'è già. Io ho preso tutti Ringos. And this collaboration, questa collaborazione, ragazzi, qui c'è la salame piccante, il salame piccante. E niente, questa è una salsa cheddar. I think you've seen it before, credo che l'hai già visto, ma tomato. And this person is very, very dear to me. We have already done a collaboration on my other channel. Today I'm going to do soft spoken. I don't want to do sort of whispering, but I want to do soft spoken because this is a mukbang and everything is moving. And oh my god, the light's not very good here. Okay, so yeah, she's a very beautiful person. She has a channel called Pole&Dreams. Il canale si chiama Pole&Dreams. Molti di voi la conoscete. I don't know if any of you, my foreign friends, know her, but we used to do more videos before because there was the lockdown, and so we was always together. And since we've started working again, we've sort of divided. Quindi prima nel lockdown che c'era facevamo parecchi video e stavamo sempre insieme, poi abbiamo iniziato a lavorare e ci siamo un po' divisi. Lei video non ne sta facendo più, she's not been doing many videos, but she's gonna come back and big with her Pole&Dreams channel, and she's gonna do this mukbang in collaboration with me, and she's gonna do other videos where she's gonna show you a diet plan, I think. Quindi Valeria, she's called Valeria, and she's my fatina, she's my little trilly, yes, because she flies on the pole, which I'd love to. I love you, Valeria. Guys, check her out. She's so cute. She's so sweet. And now, let's eat. So I'm going to start opening the sauces. Okay. You see, if I was so awful. Okay, in this big one I stick the cheddar. So maybe I can dip the pizza. Anyway, Valeria is a very beautiful person. She's so sweet, che dolce Valeria, mi raccomando. Cioè, io non so, sentitela. Male. It's not normal. Okay, that's enough for me then. That popped your ears. Did it pop your ears? Oh, this I've got to open it. Yeah, that's true. Because I need to open. Love that. Put it on. Are you hungry, guys? And I'm going to share the food with you. And I wonder what Valeria is doing. Chissà Valeria che cosa ha combinato. Io c'ho un pezzo. Open. Yes. That made a funny sound. And of course my beer, I'm going to drink it from the bottle, guys. La birra lo berrò dalla bottiglia. Allora, queste sono le patatine, assaggiamo. Aspetta, vedo un po', cosa vuoi che c'entra? Non facciamo. Okay, one of this and one of this, and then you choose which one you want to. Anyway guys, I'm not going to do any more putting my Facebook, Instagram, all the rest of that. All my information I will leave in the info box. I will, all in the info box. Okay, these chips are really good. Valeria's done oven chips because maybe for the diet, I don't know. Valeria ha fatto le patatine a forno, forse per la dieta, ma io patatine a forno non riesco a mangiarle, ragazzi. I can't eat chips in the oven. What do you prefer? The chips in the oven, the fries in the oven, or the fried ones? I love fried. Okay guys, I'm going to cut my pizza. Yeah. Let's get it from the back or from the front. Just look at that mozzarella. This is going to be spicy to take. But do this, and I can turn this around like that and leave that in the way. True, like this. Okay. And I'm going to start eating this big pizza. Big peppers, hot peppers, salsa picante, and mozzarella, and nient'altro. And I'm going to start to try to eat this. I know you won't. I do. Sort of get this sort of and dip it in the cheese sauce. My pizza's very good. What's your favourite pizza, guys? Qual è la vostra pizza preferita? Ok. It ain't easy to talk and eat, non è facile parlare e mangiare. Allora, le pizze italiane sono diverse, ovviamente. Italian pizzas are a bit different than other type of pizzas. This is like the pizzas that you buy in the freezer. Sort of like also Domino Pizza and Pizza Hut. But the Italian pizzas are a little bit different. They look more fresher, but I can tell you that yes, they're excellent Italian pizzas, but even these type of pizzas are good. And Italians would never stick sauces on their pizza, like ketchup or cheese sauce, things like that. Quindi gli italiani mi faranno assassinio, cioè to kill me. Who's gonna watch this Italian? Oh, sto mettendo le salse sulla pizza. No, non si fa. Devo stare così. I like the beer in the bottle. It's so cold. Oh wow. Will I arrive to the end? I don't know. But I'm gonna try eating everything. I mean burp. Forse farò qualche lutta. Hey doggy, back your head off. How many of you like to hear burps? The spiciness is okay. It's not too spicy. My cat's gonna get it now. Ooh. Oops. Oopsie daisy, rise and shine. I'm loving it. Fold it. I'll breathe. A salute. I like Beck's. Buono, Valeria. I like it, it's good. What's your favourite beer? Maybe I can burp. Oh, that's a big deal. That is a big deal. I'm looking at my computer, sto guardando il PC e vedo che il segnale è molto basso. The signal is very low. But I hear myself well in here. But I don't see on there. When we would go to the pizzeria with my sister, she would always stick ketchup on the pizza. we'd ask for ketchup on an Italian pizza. This is not really Italian pizza because questa non è pizza italiana, però mi ricordo mia sorella quando andavamo in pizzeria metteva sempre un sacco di ketchup sopra e non si fa questo. Allora, queste sono le basi che si trovano nel banco frigo. These are the pizzas that you find in the fridge in the shops, and all you have to do is top it, and that's what I did. Nice big long pizza like that. Do you like the crust? Many people leave the crust, molti lasciano la crosta, però è buona. Okay, Valeria surely she stuck the fries on the pizza, but I wanted to stick these on it, and I wanted to eat the fries on their own. Cioè volevo mangiare le patatine da sola, senza metterlo sulla pizza. Credo che ce la farò. Just sitting here relaxing like I'm at home. Sei qui rilassato come se fossi a casa mia. Cioè voglio dire, what eating habits do you have? Che abitudine di mangiare avete? Mangiate mai sul divano o sul letto? Do you ever eat on the sofa, in front of the TV, davanti alla TV o nel letto? Cioè che abitudine avete? Io normalmente mangio a tavola, quasi sempre. Normally I eat at the table. Now, this is really weird because I'm feeling blocked, you know. Cioè, Eat my honey. Of course, certamente I don't eat like this every day. Non mangio così tutti i giorni. Il sabato o la domenica che mi faccio lo strappo alla regola, I do a cheating day, but normally I try to eat very light during the week. So that way I can do these things because I love eating, guys. Io amo mangiare. Amo mangiare. Was that a helicopter inside me? Avevo un elicottero dentro di me. There's a helicopter going around. I think it's controlling. Can you hear it? Oh my god, I saw it. Oops. It's a military one. I think they're controlling if we're going around with the masks. Credo che ci stanno controllando, vedendo se portiamo le mascherine. If we are doing things correctly, se stiamo facendo le cose per bene. Che brutto periodo. It's really horrible time we're passing, guys. This COVID is destroying many people psychologically. Psicologicamente sta facendo un sacco di danni. E il virus c'è, cioè the virus does exist, you know, people do die, but I think it's too exaggerated. Too many things have been exaggerated, molte cose sono state esagerate per me. Ci stanno distruggendo, trying to destroy us. But we shall overcome as always. Sempre, vincitori saremo. Oh yeah, I'm on the floor. I like it here, it's nice and comfortable. Doesn't make that noise that I want. Oops, what was that? I ain't got like that. That was good. No. Okay. Oops. Oops. Okay, let's see what I can do here. I don't want to take the pizza out of your sight, but we must eat pizza. Let's get this. Oh. What's that all about? Oh my god. Oops. Excuse me. I love mukbangs. Aww. It didn't come like I wanted. I love chips. Fries. As you've noticed, guys, I've never really eaten everything that I have in front of me. Vero ragazzi? Non ho mai completamente mangiato ciò che ho davanti a me, tutto, completamente. Ce la farò? Boh. Il mio stomaco non è molto grande. I don't have a big stomach. Need half a bottle. Wow. That was awfully disgusting. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, girl. I love that. I think I'm gonna die. Exploding. I'm not gonna eat anymore now. I think I've eaten enough. Like there's Americans that drink Coca-Cola beer in their bedrooms with the state in the house. That was me when I was younger. Now I'm a fanatic of the cleaning. I do feel a little bit like a male. I do feel like I was talking in okay, this is my Londonish accent now. I'm gonna just, you know, take it all out. This Londonish accent of mine. Yeah. No, that's American. Okay. I've had half of everything. Half of beer. Disgusting, isn't it? I think many people will not follow me anymore. Credo che molti non mi seguiranno più dopo questo. can't manage anymore. Forgot. Now I want my dessert. I want my dessert. I want my dessert. Yeah, that's the lemon. Ringos. I love sweet stuff so much. I'm gonna open you now if I can manage. Ringo. Let's just get it through. I have to get it on the table. Like this and like that. And Ringo. What drink? Yes, the is out the now. You see them all. Yeah. Ringo. Let's get them in there. Do you like Ringo? What flavour do you prefer? The chocolate one or vanilla one? Okay, we eat them anyway, both. I'm so sorry. This one's for you. And also this one. They are so good. One. I like eating them like this. Look, mi piace così. Ok, io apro metà. Un po' di biscotto. Mi mangio la crema, the cream. Space for sweet stuff. Okay. Finished. I think I'm full up. Credo che sto piena. Va bene. I hope you enjoyed this video. Spero che vi è piaciuto questo video. e spero che continuerete a seguirmi. I hope you carry on following me. Forget about the burps, pretend they never happened, and we'll see you on the next video. Ok guys, I love you so much, vi amo tutti, un bacio grande e ciao Valeria, grazie per questa collaborazione.